Hi, it's Lance Edwards, and welcome to Chapter 4 of the book. This is my video summary, and this chapter is entitled The Free in 5 Plan. And what this is about is how to create financial freedom in 5 years or less. It's really that close to you, or close for you. Matter of fact, in school we were taught the 40-year plan, how to take 40 years, go to school, get good grades, get a good job, and spend the next 40 years saving away, build up your retirement. Well, how's that working for you so far? Well, that's the old school method, and what I'm going to teach you in this is what I consider the new school method. Really, it's not that new. We just simply were not taught it going through school. At least I wasn't taught. And here I'm going to teach you the path to financial freedom in 5 years or less, because this is what I did. And it's all about generating 3 types of income and wealth that you can do with your small apartment business. So there's 3 components to your plan, and one is generating active income, number 1. Secondly is generating passive income. And third is building your net worth. All right, so active income. That's income where we actively trade our time for dollars. We're most familiar with this because this was otherwise known as a job, a J-O-B. In your small apartment business, you're going to generate active income from wholesaling. That's by flipping small apartment contracts, using none of your own cash, none of your own money, never taking title, which I explain in here. And that's how you could rapidly replace your job income in 6 months or less. That's actively doing it. You're replacing active job income with active wholesaling income. The second component of your strategy is going to be passive income. This is your mailbox money. And this is where you go buy the buildings, put a management company in place, and they send you your monthly check. That's why I call it the mailbox money. This is your real path to financial freedom, because when you do enough deals, you accumulate enough doors, you don't need to do wholesaling anymore if you don't choose to. Of course, it's always going to be your option. But passive income is what you're really driving at, and especially you can do it because I'm going to teach you in the book how to do it using other people's money. So the only thing standing between you and real financial independence is knowing how to create deal flow, and that's coming up in a chapter very soon. The third component of your financial independence plan is building your net worth, and that's where I teach you about something called forced appreciation. Forced appreciation is buying properties that are a little bit run down, occupancy is low, rents are low. You're going to buy them using other people's money. You're going to spruce them up, raise the net operating income, and raise the value of these buildings, and drastically change your net worth by 6 figures and 7 figures. Those are the 3 components. The great thing about small apartments, you can do all 3 simultaneously and rapidly accelerate yourself to financial independence. Yes, yet another reason why I got started in small apartments, another reason why I think you're going to want to do the same thing. That's the plan to create financial independence in 5 years or less. Now, one more thing. There's a bonus. In the end of Chapter 4, you can get a complimentary planning session where I'll put you on the phone with one of my strategists, and we'll lay out your plan for you, how you can create your financial independence in 5 years or less. Don't worry, nothing's going to be sold on this strategy session unless you ask. It's just my way of giving back. It's free to you. If you're interested, you'll see how to take advantage of that in Chapter 4 at the end. I look forward to talking to you in Chapter 5.